Is it possible to walk on a roof and not damage it? We will compare this on a Cambridge extreme roof, on a cheap metal roof, and on a tile roof. What if you need to install photovoltaics or check your chimney? A cheap metal roof is approximately 0.5 millimeter thick, and the top is covered with a roughly 20 to 30 micron layer of paint. If dirt or pebbles get on the boots, the paint on the metal roofing can easily rub off, and the roofing will start to corrode at this point over time. Now we're going to try the tile roof. The tiles are robust, but moving on them is not so safe. I must step on them carefully, on the joints, and somewhere on the counterparts, in order not to damage the tile. The tile roof held up much better than a cheap metal roof. Bituminous shingles are installed on full formwork, so moving around on such a roof is quite easy, comfortable and safe. We can practically step anywhere and not damage the shingle roof. Greater care must be taken during summer, on hot days, because the shingles are softer then. Walking on cheap metal sheeting or tile roofing is not at all easy and requires great caution. With a shingle roof, you are not risking such problems.